back. Let us see how a cause and effect diagram helps in finding out the process variables, the x's, which are impacting an outcome, the y. Ishikawa diagram was created by Kaoru Ishikawa. It is also known as fishbone diagram as it resembles to fish skeleton. It is used to identify potential factors causing an effect. It is an effective tool to find out the root causes with the help of brainstorming and 5 whys. Now let us see. How can we do this exercise? First we need to define clearly the effect for which causes must be identified. We put that effect or the y at right-hand side. In a group we brainstorm to identify possible causes or the x's. With a central line, major areas of causes are connected. It looks like a skeleton of fish, that's why it is called as fishbone diagram. We then add potential causes for each main area, placing them horizontally. If there are sub-causes, they are added to each cause that has been entered. This adding of sub-causes goes on until each line reaches to a potential root cause. We should check the logical validity of the causal chain. We may make use of 5 whys also. Each sub-cause should sound like having a negative effect on the parent cause. And before concluding, we check for the completeness. Now if we see this example, we have to find the effect on the right-hand side, as high defect rate on belt number 6. For this we have to identify causes. We make use of brainstorming to identify possible excess with the central line. Let's connect major areas of causes, which are usually the 5 M's and 1 E, that is, man, method, machine, material, measurements, and environment. We have added potential causes for each main area, placing them horizontally. Now, in case of environment, we can see there is further cause to this, that is high humidity. Next we think what is the cause behind high humidity, and we find that there is the leakage of steam. We can check the logic here. We can say that leakage of steam from a nearby pipe is causing high humidity, thus causing defects on belt number 6. Similarly, we keep on doing this exercise until the team feels that the picture is complete now. We should note that this is just a hypothetical case highlighted here. We can drill down further for the actual root causes. SigmaXL tool helps in creating the cause and effect diagram as well. There are 2 ways. One is where the tabular format is used to enter data, and then diagram is created. In this first method, we have to select SigmaXL, go to Templates and Calculators, select GMake and DFSS templates, click on Cause and Effect template. If we take a look at the 6 groups, they are the classic bones for a fishbone. Enter each cause under the appropriate heading: man, method, material, machine, measurement and environment. We may enter up to 2 sub-causes for each cause. Once we fill the details, clicking on the fishbone diagram will create the diagram. Another way is to generate diagram and then edit the details there. By now we know that cause and effect analysis helps us in finding the factors which are impacting our outcome. Now we will move to the next lesson. Here we come to an end to this lesson. Should you need any support, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next lesson.